Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off temporary membership on your server link settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find invite. Click on it. Here you will find this settings icon. Click on it like this, and here just click like this and it will be turned off, and that's it. That's how to turn off temporary membership on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.